My name is Ed Howie, and this is Howie Grow A Brand.
1, 2, 3.
So today marks the 1-year anniversary of Howie Grow A Brand. Woo! Here we go. Here we go. Let's do this. All right. Here we go. I look sweaty. This feels so professional. I hate the word no, especially when it's like, do you have any more fries? No. I love it. Man, look at this lighting. This is the first time I saw it on the big screen. Here we go. Let's go. And to celebrate this massive achievement, I looked back and I chose the 3 episodes that I think best represent what Howie Grow A Brand is all about. And I put them together in a special playlist. So whether you're a subscriber and have enjoyed following along with me, or this is your first time joining us, I think you'll get the most out of these 3 episodes. I mean, why not launch a massive enterprise in the middle of a pandemic, right? But you know, it has been such a treat for me and my entire team. And then we're helping you grow your brand. And that's what it's about, because growing your brand is stewardship, and that is the foundation of our purpose. So thank you for investing, whether it be 1 minute, 10 minutes, 10 episodes, 40 episodes, whatever it is. Thank you for investing your time with us. We will honor that in all that we do.